Since planting peppers this way, my yield has literally doubled. And no, I don't plant it like everyone else. I have prepared a pepper seedling, and I am going to plant it. Peppers are planted in loose, fertile soil, slightly acidic to neutral pH. I make one bigger hole and a smaller one in the middle. I add a pinch of wood ash to the smaller hole. Wood ash contains potassium for better fruiting. I add a pinch of coffee grounds, which contains nitrogen for better growth. And I add a pinch of crushed eggshell, which contains calcium, against rotting. I cover the ingredients with a thin layer of soil. I pour water into the hole and wait for the soil to absorb the water. In wet, loose soil, the root goes down. It will not stay shallow. In the same way, I make another hole at a distance of 40 centimeters, and I repeat the procedure. Do not plant peppers upright. Plant it diagonally at a slope of 10 degrees. In this way, the pepper will develop a stronger root, a stronger stem, and give a higher yield. I will fill the earth so that there are no air plugs. And this is how I will plant the rest of the pepper seedlings. Once every 7 days, I water with natural nettle fertilizer. Most gardeners feed peppers from above. I feed it at the root. That's why it grows stronger and gives a higher yield. Watering goes to the root zone. The sheet does not get wet unnecessarily. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.